Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name is Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this fantastic MINI Clubman 1.5 Cooper. Now this vehicle is currently on 54,234 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour pure burgundy metallic, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now this Mini does have over £6,000 worth of optional extras, starting off with your LED headlights there that really complement the vehicle and light up the road well at night. Here around to the side you have your 18-inch alloy wheels, you have your indicator there on the side, you also have your contrasting grey door mirrors and roof. Take a look inside here. At the rear you do have your gorgeous black leather interior, you have your ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Has a very nice premium feel to it. You even have rear air conditioning vents as well, so rear passengers can travel comfortably and benefit from the air conditioning. Overall, you do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Heading round to the rear now, you've got your Clubman badging across the tailgate there. Open up the boot, you can press the button on the key fob, providing access to the boot. Does open split like this, which is a very nice touch and adds to the nice character of the vehicle. You have a nice amount of boot space here. You have some net storage there at the side. You even have additional storage space here underneath the false boot floor, so you can increase your storage or organise your boot space efficiently. Very nice feature to have. You can see the boot space is nice and deep. You can close the doors very easily with the tailgate there. Moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. Now the vehicle does have keyless entry and go, providing easy access into the vehicle. As long as you have the key fob in your pocket or bag, you can unlock and start the vehicle without having to touch it. You have your leather multifunction steering wheel there, and here you have your front seats. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There's an armrest there in the centre console as well, so you can travel comfortably and even store things away in there. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this MINI Clubman Cooper has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, here you'll find your electric mirror adjustments. Now these allow you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. They're super handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You've got your full electric windows there with a button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. On the dashboard here, you'll find your headlight switch. You can access them very easy to turn them on. You also have buttons for your front and rear fog lamps as well. Now the vehicle does come equipped with automatic wipers, so when set to auto, they'll automatically change speed depending on how heavy the rain is and will activate when they detect rain as well. You've got some volume controls there to the right of the steering wheel, and here to the left you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're on the motorway a lot. To the left of the steering wheel here you have your indicator stalk there, and at the end of it you'll find your trip button for the digital display here underneath your speedometer. You can scroll through different information here. You have a digital speedometer, things like your miles to the gallon and how many miles you have left in your tank. Now in the centre of the dashboard there you have your infotainment screen that's controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console. You can access your different menus here, including your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. Now with your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of all different stations available to you. You can then go on to save them and access them all very easily. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio. You do have your USB and auxiliary input as well as Bluetooth connectivity. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls here. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to pair your device up. Moving on, you have your contacts there you can import into the vehicle so you can easily call whoever you need to. You've got your Mini Connected as well, where you can access your mobile care, your hotline and your connection assistance. You've got some vehicle information here you can access. You can see vehicle information such as your trip computers, even things like your service history as well. You can see what services were carried out at what date. You have some settings here. You can make adjustments to different features in the vehicle such as your lighting and the display here. And lastly, you do have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance with a very nice, vibrant coloured display. You can change the view using the scroller to zoom in and out as well. Up top here as well, you will find a button to access your front end collision warning, and you can also adjust the sensitivity of it. It's a very nice touch to have. It keeps you nice and safe on the road, detecting potential hazards ahead and emergency braking if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. Another great feature the vehicle comes equipped with are the front and rear parking sensors, as well as your rear view camera and park assist. Makes parking much more easier, gives you guidance overall on how close you are to objects, and with the park assist it can even help you park up as well if you're ever struggling. The vehicle will steer into the space for you. Down below here now though, you do have your dual zone climate control. It does allow the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices for their side of the vehicle. It's nice and easy to use with the 3 dials there. You also have some buttons underneath, including your heated front seats with 3 different temperature options. Perfect to have in winter. You can keep yourself nice and warm on the leather seats. Overall, it's very easy to use, and it prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold here up front. You can pick your temperature for your side and not have to worry about anyone else. You've got your traction control on and off, as well as your start-stop system, your switch for the keyless go, and your parking sensors. Here, surrounding your manual gear selector, you'll find the switch for your different driving modes. You can see them on there, your sport, mid, and green. They're also displayed on the infotainment screen as well. You can see here your green mode, your mid mode, and sport mode, with nice graphics there displaying what's changed about the different driving modes that you've entered. Up top as well, a nice touch you have throughout the interior is your ambient lighting. Makes the interior feel even more fun, and it allows you to add your nice little personal touch to the vehicle, set into your favourite colour for example. Thanks for watching this video on the MINI Clubman 1.5 Cooper. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.